I thought we were second best, and I thought the result was a fair result. No complaints from us. I thought Baglan were superb, and probably for, it's not happened very many games this season, but we were second best.
This is the second time you've beat Trethomas this season. What boost does that give you going into this final stage of the season?
Yeah, they're a good side, and as I say, we've beaten them down there 1-0, and again we've beaten them 2-0 today. Again, a clean sheet in both games really, so very pleased. They're a very good side, and you can see they're up top, so it just shows we're in good stead really.
We knew what we were going to deal with. We had a bit of a depleted squad, a couple of boys away, a couple of boys injured. At the end of the day, everybody, like I said, stuck together, and we thoroughly deserved. Anybody who watched that game today, we deserved to win that. So yeah, it was good.
Us and Cleckley over the last few weeks have changed positions and what have you. Look, there's 5 games to go, 15 points to play for. We're still in a title race at the end of the day. I don't think today changes anything hugely, and it's about how we react now.
We did see you come out stronger in that second half, but you just couldn't find a way through.
No, there was a bit of a response after half time. I just told them that there was a little bit of a sort of resurgence, if you like, but the half chances fell our way rather than clear cut chances, and when it's only half chances, it shows that you're not at it, and that was us today.
I think we've looked at last year's total really of I think it's 41 points and finishing in 9th or 10th place, so again for us progress, and can we beat that this year?
We can compete against anybody in this league. We've proved that time and time again. At the start of the season, there's certain games and last year where we were conceding late, stupid goals, but when on our day we can compete with anybody.